Our planet is facing a climate crisis. The burning of fossil fuels releases vast amounts of carbon dioxide, or CO2, into the atmosphere. This CO2 traps heat, leading to a gradual warming of the planet. This phenomenon, known as global warming, is causing significant changes to our climate. We are witnessing more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts, floods and storms. The consequences of inaction are dire. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities and ecosystems. Changes in weather patterns disrupt agriculture and water supplies. The delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems is being disrupted, leading to biodiversity loss. The time to act is now. We must reduce our CO2 emissions drastically to mitigate the worst effects of climate change. Finding sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels is crucial. We need to transition to cleaner energy sources that do not contribute to global warming. This transition requires innovation, investment, and a global commitment to a sustainable future. The future of our planet depends on our ability to address this challenge effectively. Reducing CO2 emissions is not just an environmental issue, it's an economic and social imperative. A stable climate is essential for human prosperity and well-being. Investing in clean energy technologies will create new jobs and industries. It will also improve air quality and public health. We must embrace this challenge as an opportunity to build a better future for all. Hydrogen offers a promising solution to our energy needs. Unlike fossil fuels, hydrogen produces only water when burned. This makes it a clean fuel source with zero greenhouse gas emissions. Imagine a world powered by vehicles that emit only water vapor. This is the potential of a hydrogen-based economy. Hydrogen can be used in a variety of applications. It can power fuel cells in vehicles, providing a clean alternative to gasoline and diesel engines. It can be used in power plants to generate electricity without emitting CO2. It can also be used in industrial processes, replacing fossil fuels as a heat source. The versatility of hydrogen makes it an attractive alternative to traditional fuels. It can be stored and transported much like natural gas. It can be produced from a variety of sources, including renewable energy. This flexibility makes hydrogen a key component of a diversified and resilient energy system. The transition to a hydrogen economy will require significant investment in infrastructure and technology. However, the long-term benefits of a clean and sustainable energy system far outweigh the initial costs. Hydrogen has the potential to revolutionize our energy landscape and pave the way for a cleaner, healthier future. Traditional methods of hydrogen production have relied heavily on fossil fuels. Steam methane reforming, a common method, uses natural gas to produce hydrogen. However, this process releases significant amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere. This undermines the environmental benefits of using hydrogen as a clean fuel. Another method, coal gasification, uses coal to produce hydrogen. This process is even more carbon intensive than steam methane reforming. The reliance on fossil fuels for hydrogen production negates the purpose of using hydrogen as a clean energy source. We need cleaner methods of hydrogen production to fully realize its potential. The environmental impact of traditional hydrogen production methods is a major concern. The CO2 emissions associated with these processes contribute to global warming. This makes it crucial to develop and deploy low-carbon hydrogen production technologies. The challenge is to decouple hydrogen production from fossil fuels. We need to find ways to produce hydrogen without emitting greenhouse gases. This is where renewable energy sources and advanced electrolysis techniques come into play. Section 4. Revolutionizing hydrogen production, green methods. Renewable energy sources offer a pathway to clean hydrogen production. Solar, wind and hydropower can be used to generate electricity. This electricity can then be used to power electrolyzers which split water into hydrogen and oxygen. This process, known as green hydrogen production, is entirely carbon-free. Electrolysis is a key technology for green hydrogen production. Electrolyzers use electricity to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Advances in electrolysis technology are making this process more efficient and cost-effective. This is driving down the cost of green hydrogen and making it more competitive with traditional hydrogen production methods. Another promising method is using biomass to produce hydrogen. Biomass gasification converts organic matter into hydrogen and other gases. When sustainably sourced, biomass can be a carbon-neutral feedstock for hydrogen production. The development and deployment of these green hydrogen production methods are crucial for a sustainable future. By harnessing renewable energy sources, we can produce hydrogen without contributing to climate change. This is a critical step towards decarbonizing our energy system and building a cleaner future. Section 5. The promise of a hydrogen-powered world. Widespread adoption of green hydrogen technologies can have a profound impact on our environment. By replacing fossil fuels with hydrogen, we can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This will help mitigate the effects of climate change and protect our planet for future generations. Clean hydrogen can also improve air quality. The use of hydrogen fuel cells in vehicles eliminates tailpipe emissions, leading to cleaner air in our cities. This will have positive impacts on public health, reducing respiratory illnesses and improving overall well-being. A hydrogen-based economy can also create new jobs and industries. The development, manufacturing and deployment of hydrogen technologies will require a skilled workforce. This will stimulate economic growth and create opportunities for innovation. The transition to a hydrogen economy will require a concerted effort from governments, industry and research institutions. Investment in research and development is crucial to further improve the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of green hydrogen technologies. Policy support and incentives can accelerate the adoption of these technologies and drive the transition to a clean energy future. Section 6. A future fueled by innovation. The future of hydrogen as a clean energy source is bright. Continued innovation in hydrogen production, storage and utilization technologies is paving the way for a hydrogen-powered world. As the costs of green hydrogen continue to fall, it will become increasingly competitive with traditional fuels. The transition to a hydrogen economy is not without its challenges. However, the potential benefits are enormous. A clean, sustainable and resilient energy system is within our reach. By embracing innovation and investing in the future of hydrogen, we can create a better world for ourselves and generations to come. The journey towards a hydrogen-powered future requires collaboration and commitment. Governments, industry and researchers must work together to overcome the technical and economic hurdles. Public awareness and education are also crucial to build support for this transformative technology. We stand at a pivotal moment in history. The choices we make today will determine the future of our planet. By investing in clean energy solutions like green hydrogen, we can build a sustainable and prosperous future for all. Let us embrace this opportunity and create a world powered by innovation and fueled by hope.